The first thing is to cut out your pocket base and also the design of your choice. Then you hold them down using any tape and you heat together using iron, hot iron. This is charcoal iron proudly made from Nigeria. I'm going to repeat same process for the other side. Then you heat with hot iron just to hold it in place. Now you trim the excess. After this, I'm going to pick my bias made from the fabric, same fabric. I'm going to draw out the lines I'm going to follow. Then head over to the sewing machine. I'm going to stitch all the pattern down. The next thing is to add our bias, the border for the pocket. The bias will be on the down part, the pocket will be on it. Then I'm going to follow the line drawn on the pocket. After this, we'll go to the ironing table. Then press the bias flat. After pressing it thoroughly on the right side, we are going to turn it over to the wrong side. And hold the fabric down with hemi tape. If you want more tutorial, subscribe to this channel, share this video, like and comment. Again, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.